Hey there, Drew Canoli. Welcome to another Mindset Monday. How would you like to wake up and have 35% more energy throughout the day? How would you like to be the type of person that holds space for everybody that you come in contact with? Or maybe you want to be a source of inspiration for anybody that you meet. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 ways to boost your confidence up sky high. So I get a lot of questions from young men and women that always ask me, how do I have more confidence? How do I be this magnetic person that's able to walk into a room and be the soul of any environment, as Rumi said? How do we do that? Well, first and foremost, confidence isn't something that comes from the external world. It's not what you have. It's not your possessions. It's not the house, the cars, the clothes, the watches, the shoes, dresses, ladies. It's actually about who you really are. And who you really are is a spark of divinity. And there's this connection that takes place when you observe your life from this angle. So when you feel connected, when you feel plugged in, tapped in, tuned into that highest version of who you really are, that connection, your confidence is going to be sky high because it's not about you. When you're connected to the divinity that's already within you, it's going to change your life dramatically. Next up is simple and easy. It's your posture. How's it look? Are you slouching? Are you walking around like you're in the Thriller video, right? Like you're a zombie from Walking Dead? Or are you upright? Do you have your shoulders back? Simple exercise I do is I take my thumbs and I roll them back. This forces your shoulders to roll back as well. We're sitting way too much as humans. Maybe you've heard sitting is the new smoking. True story. Get a stand-up desk. Next up is I want you to, if you're driving, don't do this, clearly. But I want you to envision 3 of your favorite people on this planet or from the past. And they're all putting in words of affirmation, thoughts of love, thoughts of light, thoughts of healing in this circle, and let that just come up in every cell of your being. You can do this anywhere, anytime. When I speak in front of thousands of people on stages all over the world, this is something I do before I go out on stage. I want to highly encourage you to start your day with a morning ritual. Start something that teaches you, that educates you, that empowers you, that uplifts you, and gets your body moving. If you do those things every morning, your energy is going to be here, your confidence is going to be up, you're going to feel like you're moving forward, and as human beings, we always want to be moving forward and feeling like we're growing. Next up is mirror work, and that's simply looking in the mirror and telling yourself how much you love you. And that may be hard for many of you watching this. I've seen people break down in tears doing this. Super powerful stuff. So love who you are, my friend. And when you can really acknowledge that you're good enough, it changes your mirror neurons in your face and your body and your cells, makes you more open, and your confidence will go sky high. Okay, so lucky number 6 is, you've seen me do this in the past maybe, but sticky notes. Reminding myself, even if I'm not confident in the present moment, if I'm reminding myself all day long that I already am that in which I'm writing on the sticky note or in the message on the phone, my subconscious has to take that in. I'm realizing in this moment now, and you can do the same thing, that you've always been confident. Maybe you're the most confident person that you know. Start speaking to yourself as if you are that, and watch how the universe conspires to back you with that messaging to your subconscious. Get confident, my friend. Check out the book that I just wrote, You Be You. Absolutely amazing. Other exercises, practices that you can implement in your life that are going to leave you feeling the most confident version of who you truly are. As always, I'm Drew Canoli, and remember, we're in this together, and I'll see you soon.